Welcome to Tech News and Updates channel iTechNews. Motorola introduced the Moto S30 Pro smartphone in China. It has a 6.5-inch FHD Plus OLED 53 degrees curved screen with 144 Hz refresh rate, is powered by Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC with up to 12 GB of RAM, 11-layer VC cooling. It has a 50MP main camera with OIS, 13-megapixel ultrawide camera with macro option and a 2MP depth sensor. There is a 32MP camera on the front. The phone has an ultra-thin metal middle frame, and the thickness of the phone is just 7.45 mm. It comes in AG glass back with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection for the black, and the blue version has a leather-like finish. The phone packs a 4400 mAh battery with 68-watt turbo power fast charging, which can charge up to 50% in 10 minutes. The Moto S30 Pro is priced at 25,925 rupees approximately for the 8GB plus 128GB version. Please subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Please like, share and subscribe.